Nana texted me to let me know that Bastian had a belly ouch, likely from eating Parker's food. He'd already been on 2 walks and pooped on both of them, but I continued to hear his belly gurgle.
Bastian. Belly. Ouch.
Notice who's over here eavesdropping.
You have a belly ouch? Yes. Bastian has a belly ouch? I hear belly sounds. Yeah, you have belly ouch. What do you want? Come here. What can I do for you? Walk outside. Walk outside. Walk. We just went for a walk. It's raining now. Do you want to go outside? You pooped on the walk. Yeah. Ouch. Belly. Belly. Ouch. Come here. Walk outside. Walk. Potty. You gotta go more potty? Did he? He did, but I can hear his belly gurgling. Alright. Do you wanna go?
Lee did not, so I took Bastian, and boy did he poop. Again, 2 more times.